Today, cloud is the norm. We see more and more companies are adopting cloud as their core IT strategy. And we are also seeing a huge cryouts when a cloud provider goes down. And this is something, cloud fundamentally runs in a data center and it can go down. You have to accept the fact, and instead of whining, you should be focusing on solving the problem. And as more people realize that failure is a fact, they started looking out multi-cloud as the real alternative for it. Because it perfectly makes sense, right? When you have more than 25 providers, how many of you know we have more than 25 cloud providers in the market? Then it's the news for you guys. We have more than 25 cloud providers out there in the market. And you have, not just being fail-safe. There are lots of factors. And more importantly being the price, the geographic locations. You don't need to wait for any cloud provider to support a new location. You choose the provider who has and put it in your strategy. And, while we are talking about all the advantages of multi-cloud, it's not easy to go for it. Let's see the showstoppers in embracing multi-cloud. When you try doing that, when you try go and get multiple cloud accounts, first thing you will end up is you will have multiple cloud control panels. And each one will make you do the same thing differently. I repeat, you will end up doing the same thing in different way in each and every places. And the most important being, right, it's in a business context, it's not just one person using your cloud, it's always 2 or more people. Many providers are not yet come up with multi-user, while few give, and not all the one which you can look out. And what you will, most of the time, you will be end up sharing your credentials, which is very bad. You cannot do that in a business context. We at Pickle.io solve this very problem for you with a flexible cloud management platform. We help you organize and manage all your servers across clouds together as a team from one single place using any device. Be it laptop, mobile, or tablet, you can manage it. Let's see. Does it sound great? Let's see how, one by one. First thing, you have to bring in all your servers to one place and organize it logically as how it makes sense for you. As how, on what purpose you are using for it. Be it production, dev, or for various apps or the projects. Are you being a freelancer? You're maintaining multiple clients for which you are giving cloud support. Whatever be the purpose, you have to organize it in line with the purpose. With Pickle.io, you can create a bucket and move the relevant servers and then tag labels for server roles and easily navigate using filters. The next thing, once you put things in your bucket, you can easily invite anyone or your whole team, for that matter, to share with anyone. It's not just unlimited sharing because you can't max out your credit card, right? Cloud accounts are always limited to your credit card and you can't easily share with someone without setting any limits. You have a simple and most flexible way to control your cost, and by default, when you share your bucket with anyone, no one can create new servers. It's as simple as that. If you want to allow them to create servers, you can create an immutable server template where size, image is freezed, and you can share that with them. You can also set the number of servers that can be created, so no one can abuse your cloud accounts by creating more number of servers than you allowed or costly server sizes than what you allowed. As I said, Pickle.io is optimized for all screens, so it's very, very easy for you to manage your clouds from any device, from wherever you are. And let's see a quick demo of how we use Pickle.io to manage our own cloud infrastructure. Give me a sec. This is my account. I'm currently administrating all the clouds. And we have currently 6 cloud accounts, all connected here in one place. And it's very, very easy for you to connect a new cloud. Just go here and select a provider, key in your API credentials, and all servers will get synced in. And it will be continuously kept in sync in real time. And once your servers are come in, you can create a bucket to organize it in line with your purpose. Let's see how we have organized our production bucket. Currently, we have 4 servers in it for various purposes, and it's very, very easy for you to navigate using the readily available instant filters. And you can create custom labels to group the servers further, mostly for using the server roles, DB, web, etc. And this is how you can share with your teammates. This is Shiva, with whom I have shared, and let's go and see how his accounts look like. When you see here, the bucket appeared in the shared list, and he can come and manage the existing servers, and there is no way to create a new server there. Because I haven't allowed any provisionings in the production bucket, so he cannot create new servers. Whereas I have shared another bucket for development purpose, in which he can go and create server. You can see the plus button over there, and it's again only the template that I have allowed of 512 MB server, which he can create. The server started building, and I have enforced a limit of total 5 servers. Now this bucket has reached the 5 servers limit. When it's try to create yet another server, he will gonna get the error. As you see, server creation limit reached for this bucket. It's simple and highly flexible, where you can have complete control while sharing your clouds with anyone. And let's see, this is how I have set the limit. This is the bucket settings you are seeing, where you can easily add members, and you can set limits and share the templates. See, I have set the limits to 5. It's a light background. You are not able to see it exactly. And it's all real time. This is my account. We are seeing here, and you can see the server which Siva is building. Once you build, it's all real time notice here, and you have one single events page where everything gets logged for your complete auditing. Now I can know that Siva has created this particular server, which will be highly missing in any other cloud platform. Yeah, we have just seen how buckets can help you all the chaos in managing multiple clouds. It helps you organize, share, and control easily from one place for your entire team. Having solved this chaos in a multi-cloud deployment, we are coming to the next problem. Again, the same set of pattern repeats when you try to manage your servers and what runs on them. Each one will be giving their own set of tool set for management and monitoring, or you will be using a third-party services to have more flexibility. Whatever be it, your service will be in one place and your tool set will be other place, especially in a multi-cloud strategy. Currently, this is we have started integrating monitoring tools as a pilot, and things are coming out nicely. You can integrate Monit, which is an awesome open source utility to manage and monitor your process and what runs on them. All set. I would like to invite you to sign up for, currently we are in closed beta access. You can sign up for beta at http pickle.io. And more importantly, if you have liked us, say yes so, I like at pickle.io /unplugged and get the beta access in a week. Thank you. Thanks all.